Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment today to look at this 8.5 by 28 custom enclosed trailer. This trailer does have an extended tongue on it. Power plug on the front has been opened, that way you can see it. Close it back. We'll have our 30 amp plug there. Front tongue does have a brake box on it. This trailer does have brakes on the axles. It's got a push button to test that battery on there. We'll have our front crank jack, breakaway cable. That way if it gets separated from your vehicle for any reason, it'll pull this pin, lock up the brakes for you. These trailers do come with a 2 5/16 ball connection. Now what you'll see is safety chains on here. Trailer jack foot. This is a screwed exterior on this trailer. Black with silver trim. Nice clean aesthetic. Of course the lights are going to be LED. It is 8 lug. So you will see it's two 7,000 pound axles on this trailer. The center caps are rubber. So you can remove those fittings for easy lubing. And for sake of this video, just to make it a little bit easier, I went ahead and put the ramp down on this trailer. Kind of hard to do while holding the camera. It does have a transition flap at the bottom. Makes it easier to load and unload equipment. It just folds down. It's got a nice piano hinge on there. It is spring assisted. So if we look up top here, they've got this enclosure. It has this spring with that cable where it's wound tight to help bring that ramp up and bring it down. The trailer does have a beaver tail on it, and that just means this back end of this trailer has a slope for easier loading and unloading. We can see we have 2 D-rings mounted here in the back. We'll have 2 D-rings that are also mounted in the front. Rubber coin flooring in this trailer. Really nice touch for cleanability for the flooring. Now turn on our light switches here, which are really nice. The cabinets have a light built in up underneath them. Lockable drawers on both sides, the 3 set on the left, 3 set on the right. Power cable to our trailers that it's included is going to be right here by the door. We do have our battery box, battery charger. We also have the fuse panel indicator here. It'll have some bulbs on there that's going to allow you, if any of them trip, they'll turn red to let you know that it needs to be replaced. The inverter box has one on it as well. If it trips, it'll have a light indicator on it, just for ease of use. Take a look at that light there, really bright. Nice to have on there. Cabinets are push button. They have opted in to put our breaker box up here. Here's our breakers. With our entry door, we can see our flyaway safety chain on the inside. Now the door is going to have both the lock. It's going to be for the deadbolt and the handle. The keys zip tied to the inside here. We'll take a look at it when we walk back outside. There's also a step. Makes it easy to get in and get out. A manual roof vent for ventilation. That way when it's hot in the summertime, you can let some of the excess heat and air out. If you have any additional questions on this 8.5 by 28 foot custom enclosed trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.